What's going on, everyone? Just wanted to show everybody my little Williams tool haul I got. Now, I got the Williams 3/8, all USA made sockets, as you can see. And the sizes go from 8 to 19 with no skips. And there's a view of the broaching on them. As you can tell, the chrome is pretty good on these. These are really high quality sockets for what you pay. Much better than Craftsman. And I got whoop. Ooh. Where is there? 21 mil. It's a USA made socket as well. And I got the 22 mil as well for the 3/8 shallows. Right there. There's the broaching on that, best as I can get it for you. Then I got the complete 1/4 inch set. Goes from 4 to 14, including 5.5 with 0 skips. You know, when you order them too, they come in these cheesy socket rails. They kind of suck, but then I also got some Williams USA made impact sockets. Here's 30. I got 34, 35, and 36 millimeter. And as you can tell, you know, these are some pretty nice sockets, man. Real nice broaching on them as well. You know, super quality pieces here. They're nice. You know, that'll right there. Nice heavy duty. Very nice sockets, man. You know, and basically if you go to like AutoZone and stuff like that, you're gonna spend more for their China sockets than you do on these. And these are USA high quality, last way longer, way more durable. So kind of a no-brainer there, you know. But that's pretty much all I wanted to show you. Oh, and the price of all you see here came out to $128, and then I had to spend 20 bucks shipping plus tax, so it was like 151 or 2 maybe, perhaps somewhere in there, but 150 bucks, and you get all this nice USA made high quality stuff. Thanks for looking. Enjoy.